Hello everybody, welcome back. In last video we have learned the very basics of scripting, and in this video we will move further and we will create something. So let's create a object, 3D object cube, and for materials for coloring this cube we can create the materials or textures. So I have created the material. I will create again for you. So we can create material and then we can name it like yellow, and then here we can change the color to whatever we want. Okay, in material there are also some things like metallic, smoothness, normal map, and other things as well. So we will learn that later on, but for time we will add this color to cube. Now this cube needs box collider, which is already added, and we will make it trigger. Okay, so we actually want that when this box strikes with the plane, it should destroy. Okay, so for that purpose we will add rigid body component as well for the physics. So it should have gravity, and we can increase or decrease the mass of the cube. Now we will go and we will write a script. So let's write a script, destroy cube, or any other name you can suggest, and we will open it in Visual Studio. Actually Mono developed the last editor was very good and speedy, but from 2018 onward Unity only supports Visual Studio, so we are dependent on Visual Studio, and also it's heavy and it takes some more space as compared to that. So let's add the function for triggering. So for trigger we will write void on trigger enter. You can see the smart word here comes, and it also added the collider and other. Okay, so I will show you what this other can do. So now just we want to destroy. What we want to destroy? This dot game object. Okay, so simply we have added this function, so we can just delete these functions just to make the script very clear. Okay, now if we go to Unity and if we select the cube, and we can add the component, or we can drag the script on cube as well, or here as well. Okay, so now you can see there is a destroy cube function. So now if we play the game, let's make it like this. If we play the game, the box will be destroyed when it strikes with this ground. Okay, so again let's check. I will show you like this. Pause. I just paused the game, and you can see when it strikes the plane, it goes away. Okay, you will see from this angle. Let's see, there is no box. Okay, so box is destroyed. So that's it for wide on trigger enter. Like this, we have another function on Boolean enter as well, which we will learn in the next video. So the other, okay, let's make it one another thing. If we say here inside this script, we can add if statement, and we can say if other dot tag equal to plane. Okay, if another object has a tag of plane, then it should destroy. Okay, so we will close bracket here. So Control S, and now if we go to Unity and check our plane, oh, where is our cube? Okay, we was in game mode. So this is our cube, and if we check the plane, you can see there is untagged. Okay, so for example, now if we see, let's make the camera a little bit more like this and like this, so we can see the movement. Okay, so now if we play, you will see cube will not destroy. Let's see, you can see cube didn't destroy because it strikes to a plane which don't have tag of the plane. Okay, or we can also use other dot name as well. Okay, so we will give a tag. So let's create a tag of plane. You can see there are some default tags here, so we can add a tag. So let's add a tag, and we will name this tag as a plane. So save this tag and then select the plane, and then we will select the plane tag. Okay, and now we will test what will happen. Let's see. So cube comes and it destroys here. Okay, so that's the very useful thing which we used in Unity again and again. Wide on trigger enter, wide on trigger Boolean, and like this type of terms. So in next video we will learn about Boolean, wide on trigger Boolean. So let's meet in next video.